All right, 338 Lapua versus Master Lock. This will be a hit now for sure. Did I get it? All right, let's see where it is, if we can find it all. What's going on, everybody? This is Steve with the MrBigKid Channel, and thank you for watching. Today, for our desert play, I've got a bunch of Master Locks. Now, you probably guessed right if you read the title of this, but we are going to shoot the Master Locks and see if we can get the mechanism open to open the Master Lock with some bullets. I don't have much to shoot it with today, but we are going to shoot it with 4 different guns. Number 1 is going to be a 22. Number 2 is going to be a 9mm. Number 3, I don't know. How do you feel about the PTR shooting a lock?
Yeah, we'll try it. This should be fun.
3 is going to be a PTR 308, and then 4 is going to be the Ruger Precision 338 Lapua. Now, I have a Big Kid giveaway coming up soon for the 600 subscriber special. What I'll be doing is I'm going to punch some of my fake money. I'm going to punch some holes in it, and that's going to be part of the giveaway. A destroyed lock will be part of the giveaway, and then some things that actually have some value to it. But yeah, let's go build some prizes right now. Let's have some fun. All right, first shot, we're using the Walther P22, just your standard bulk pack 22 long rifle. So let's see what it does to the back of this lock. There you go. All right, there you go. Well, we dented the back. Hold on a second. We dented the back, but it did not make it through. The lock is still locked. So let's try it again. All right, we're gonna take another shot with the P22 just because it's such a little round here. Boom! All right, let's see if we opened it up. Hey, little guy. All right, we shot it right in the lock, right in the mechanism. It doesn't turn, but it does not open. So 22 will not open in Master Lock. I think we're gonna have a different result with the 9mm. We are going to be shooting with the CZ 9mm. Close, geez. All right. Pushed it a little further away. Let's see what we did. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there it is. Well, that dented it, but it did not open it. That's surprising. I thought this would pretty much tear it up pretty good. I mean, granted, you could probably take some pliers and rip this back off now, but yeah, 9mm did not open the lock. All right, it's getting real windy out right now. Anyways, but it's such a beautiful day. Anyways, we are going to be shooting this. We got a PTR 91. Awesome rifle. We just took this thing out for the first time. It's my buddy's, and man, this thing is fun to shoot. Very low recoil. I mean, it gives it kind of like a rolling feeling when you shoot it, not so much like a pop, which is really cool. Anyways, I have the lock over there. It's a little further away from where we are versus the handguns for obvious reasons. I got the GoPro set up, but let's see how the 308 round does against the Master Lock. Yeah. Did I hit it or did I just knock it off? I don't know. I think I might have just... Oh, I hit it. Oh yeah, look at that. Kind of cool.
Yeah, I feel like it just redirects itself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But the question is, does it open?
Oh.
Still locked.
Yeah.
However, I think another shot will completely blow it apart, but I mean, it's just kind of made it impossible without hitting it again now. But yeah, that blew a hole right through it. All right, well, now we are shooting the 338 Lapua at the lock. I have a feeling it'll go through. I don't know for sure. Maybe the lock is stronger than the really high velocity, high energy, hard hitting round, I guess. We'll see. I'm shooting with 250 grain 338 Lapua projectiles with about 93 grains of Retumbo powder. Here we go. Okay. Sorry if I'm showing you my butt crack.
Oh, I don't see.
I feel like I am.
That chair's covering where I'm
Oh,
situated.
perfect. Cool. All right, well, here we go.
Looks like you got it.
Did I?
The lock moved.
It did move, didn't it?
Yeah, it did like a 180.
Okay, let's check it out. This master lock. This will be a hit now for sure.
Oh, there you go.
There it is. It's not looking good at all. That's exactly what it is. Just a little bullet casing. Well, that's what a 338 Lapua will do to your lock. But does it open? Oh, look at that. It opens.
Back end of it look like. Oh wow.
Well, that's fun.
Like a perfect hole.
See? It opens it very well. You can even swivel the lock now. So.